Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so meeting de adwoa searching and then the day the kind of the ehwe me a mestre wo na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now the ones that emia bell no so we a notification and san news e de betu me obenye bi atie and I say obenye bi ahwe e wo GCN page here. Ora Koku Ayindoho eye NDC ni mapa. Ora Asiedu Nketia nso eye NDC ni mapa. Na yenye ni so ora Asiedu Nketia eye General Secretary di ma NDC amayoko no. E na ora Koku Ayindoho nso eye former Deputy General Secretary di ma NDC amayoko no. Na yenye ni se abato eda NDC fo mo ndi mo ba beyi akendefo o ma beyi mpanifo be dikan towards friend is 2024 coming election. Na yenye ni nsema ekoso ewo Ghana ha titiri pa ndisa amayoko ni mu no titiri pa ensema trend obi akebi eye owura ofosampofo na owura Asiedu Nketia position a omo epre na owura ofosampofo eye chairman national chairman de ma NDC amayoko no na owura Asiedu Nketia nso eye seke otrotro ni pani de ma NDC amayoko no na competition ni mu aye tight owura Asiedu Nketia se ndey wa trotro sa ne nsa no ye ne ya ne pen krasa nti atrotro ndi ontumi ntro bio nti no okwa corporate chairman na eno na abeya nsem bebre na NDC fo kasa enda empanefo menu mu ya studio na ye atno position ache ye ni abre ye ba power we are coming like akai 2024 nti se mu mienu bagyeje ye na mu na party ni mu che na ye we a kai mu mienu mu ewu na ensem a ekoso na ndey wofre owura Koku Ayindoho ewo OKFM eno mu bisa na nsem ekosi na no owura Koku Ayindoho eche so owura Asiedu Nketia na nka so yoni brefo oyoni brefo owura Koku Ayindoho eche se wo Asiedu Nketia obeye seke obeye secretary che se what na wa almost a decade wache wo ho ankasa opposition wache wo na wo che wo na wo ten ho no so nya atwom ekun pesemi nkuminya ekun wa ma na party ni nkoso na chese ene obeto aba na se wukọ baabi na wukọ yi 10 cedis my boys na omo ye general na chese wutiri ma aye wodo onya hwe wa say position na wo no kra chese ye position na wukra ne kwa party na nkasa wa say party ni mu na ende ube fimi na obi foforo aba no o san so akwa pray national chairman na aha na hu dai owura Koku Ayindoho we chese owura Asiedu Nketia ye di brefo papa oyo ni brief ankasa na wo say ye ka owura Koku Ayindoho we chese wo Asiedu Nketia impen bi ono contest sa opposition na secretary ono contest utiti wani ho ne ya aka e wa branka party mu ina mo ye baako na position aba anasa dibi aba na so bia pribia so bia betimi a prebi utiti wani ho aye ya na wo hyeda ne ya aka ende when say wo afi bia wo kọ baabi owura Koku Ayindoho chese owura Asiedu Nketia wanyi pepe bitina na party no entimi enkwane no ayentie ensem a owura Koku Ayindoho ede etuya
ebe di chairman 4 years awu kotu no na no a me ne wo contest here e wo a crypto ya wo pu say at the end am be contest wo ani me ni awo ye no we be 20 years ago seven wa share honu mi na poto into kotu afuso for da be no afuso for ba ye and I wo de wo kotu no and this no dia. So my brother, all we are saying is that, and people like Asiedu Nketia, they don't inspire hope in the youth of the NDC. Yeah, they don't inspire hope in the youth of the NDC. So we need leadership that will inspire hope. And when I'm saying this, not because I'm supporting for some of them, he also has his own issues as national chairman, and he knows the issues I have with him. But all I'm saying is that we need leadership that inspires hope. MPPU, NDCO, CPPU, Nigerian Republic of Ghana. We need leadership that inspires hope. And for me, whether in the political party forefront, on my own, in the Master, you know, my story is being in the media. The number of media people that I have helped to progress. And then you can't body. But for me, for as long as I live, media, I will continue to inspire hope in everybody that I come across.
Wakuyada was here in a minute. A future ya with them mabuni say extrapolate a future no dia ba the nation as a whole. Currently, do we lack positive thinkers as leaders?
Well, I cannot generalize it. say all leaders, because
say you create opportunities my youth no.
yes,
School of thought be believe say and the betumi ama hope you to me restore into the youth. For instance, yakwa Bible mu say ya yenhwe ayimfo bi. Uzziah 16 years obedi ohene. David 30 years. Joas 6 years, ebi 7 years. Emmanuel Macron, France, he was young. Obama, for instance. Now, Oba ye bibremu ase year. When the 8 years a crown, no, and the constitutional mandate, no. When the we no still of a sword was so. And Obi bisa say ye koye ni say na yan create opportunities ya ma youth ya. Hope ni to me restore and for frustration ma. And man ko for revolt ma.
Macron di friends akra me no. And he said, "Sasa, Ayamba, if you don't give them any form of opportunity, of course they'll be frustrated." Constitution say year 210 neko. Why year we also done in the constitution then you want children to go and fight because you want to abuse the constitution. Unfortunately, and every man ye didn't do one so tribal, any ethnic. That's one of the problems you're having here. And finally, BBC News. The number of Russian youth who are crossing the Georgian border, the border between Russia and Georgia, into Georgia, because they are running away from Putin's conscription to go and fight that war in Ukraine. Master, and America said, God has given all of us brains. We are President Putin, but the children and the youth are not realizing they are the so they run away. Yesterday at one recruitment center, almost to Chobo, recruitment officer.
Hey,
of course, positive defiance. Master, so when you have the opportunity to lead, and you say that's how one point more, and you depress, and I don't know, and the more I show you say, you decide, you to me. Look, me, if I see 40 years, you cook motibako. Who vote to me, and then biometric, who vote to me, after you get the better. So one man, one vote. But just say we need somebody to lead. So we put our trust, our hope, our confidence in you. But the day you begin to abuse that hope, that trust and confidence, master, you will suffer the consequences. Yeah, you will suffer the consequences. And that is about leadership. The fact that you are leading doesn't make you the ultimate. Master, that is why a lot of humility is needed in leadership. Aho Brazil, master. Aho Brazil. Master, they are putting in here. We come to Oko. Yanka say NDC, JJ Rollins Oko, Atamus Oko, Mary Grant to Momoko. Why not say one of the uncle? Into one other a friend say, on what are or Butai no cry, Menoswa, Tabutai in a bit equal. Nankopon. And in the Nasem, I want to no be and obedient to me during war. So there's always a today, there was a yesterday, and there will be a tomorrow. We are putting here. Why? Russian Empire, the great Russian Empire, the period of the Stalinists and the Leninists, and no German is not putting over. So let us understand that at every point in time, we are giving leadership. Of course, you also want to protect your territorial integrity. You want to know will be between fouls. But thing they say, Minia, can say Ghana, Mebunum. Because if we leave them hopeless, they better no matter. If we don't start giving them hope, for them to know that look, there's hope, but a lot of it is in you, and you can do it now, matter. One day, you better die, you better sorry. You better do your mind. They will be there. So let's begin to tell the youth of today that there's hope. Not only by work, but teaching them how to discover their self-worth and their integrity. Politics are here. ne akɔ bɔ mbɛburu paa